In this video, we will compare Roon versus Apple Music and see which one is better. Let's start with Roon. Roon is a premium audiophile grade music arrangement system designed for local libraries and high-res streaming for Tidal and Qobuz, offering superior metadata, bit-perfect audio, and deep magazine-style content browsing. The Roon is engineered for high-end audio, and it excels at organizing local files while merging them with streaming and providing rich artist bios, lyrics, and credits. As for the cost, it requires a highly significantly investment for monthly and yearly subscription or lifetime fee. Now let's tackle Apple Music. So Apple Music is mainstream, subscription-based streaming service with a massive library, spatial audio, and seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. So ecosystem for Apple is standard monthly subscription. It's better for discovery and convenience on the go. It offers lossless and Dolby Atmos but often relies on AirPlay, which can be lossy as well. So choose Roon if you have a large local music collection and choose Apple Music if you want convenience. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.